Okay. I've decided to use this as an opportunity to test StreamYard and to record a YouTube video. And towards the end of last year, I started doing a monthly reset where I was testing out doing a monthly vision board, and I realized that it just didn't work for me. One, I have been vision boarding for as long as I can remember, at least since 2008. And two, I'm not trying to make like big swings every month. So I realized it was harder to add things that I really needed to come to fruition in such a short time frame. It was more of like a feel. So because I have been vision boarding so long, though, I have always looked for ways to revamp the whole process, to bring my vision boards off of a kind of collage type format onto 3D. And I recently found a YouTube video that I thought was pretty cool as a way to do that. And I wanted to try this as a way to react, not only to the video, but then after I have reacted to it, actually act on what she's suggesting. So let me see how this even works in StreamYard to get the video into my stream. Oh, wait, do I have to do a video file? I don't know how that works. Hold on. Okay, here we go. All right, definitely still not doing that right. And I don't want to present slides. I want to present a video file. Oh, that's how that works? Okay. But how do people add the stuff they're watching in here? Like, how do they do that? Okay, it's not that. All right, here we go. One more time. Oh, share screen. I'm an idiot. Okay. Easiest on 2 monitors. Well, I don't have 2 monitors right now, so let's make sure I have Do Not Disturb on. I don't know if that will share my text messages too. Who knows? But now's not the time to find out. So we're going to share screen. And now I can go right to the tab. And this is what we're sharing. So here is Kayla Riggins, Create Your 2024 Brand Vision Board magazine. Now, I want to bring this up partially because I shared with a friend that my goal or my mantra for 2024 was to quit effing around. And my friend responded, "Ma'am, it is almost March. You haven't done the things that you said you were going to do." And I realized, oh my goodness, I'm still effing around. So this video is kind of double duty. It'll allow me to stop messing around and to also create my vision for the rest of 2024. So I watched it at least kind of once before, but well, you'll get the gist when I start it now. Oh, I got it. This is how this works. Okay, here we go. I'm going to
make your 2024 brand vision board magazine style. I thought instead of ripping out of a magazine this year, how about we make a magazine? I wanted something tangible, something that I can actually touch and see and feel.
Now, don't you just love this concept? I also really love her hair and the look of her set, everything. It's giving me inspiration to just press record.
No, traditionally people like to pull from magazines, but that's kind of boring to me. And it's also not as aesthetically pleasing. I don't care how many cute frames y'all buy, how many Canva prints you make it in, and how cute and stylish you are with making it. After a while, it just looks like something that you made in 5th grade, and you get tired of looking at it all throughout the year.
Okay, now that part I'm going to disagree with because I really love my vision boards, and I have a few different ways that I do them. Like I said, I'm trying to take them out of, just the 3D. Like one, I think great way to make a vision board is instead of a collage type thing, I'm going to see if I can send a photo of this. Don't know how this works on the StreamYard either, but we're about to see. Okay. I will take this type of picture frame and just make that into a vision board. Let me see. I think I can share that by clicking. Oh, no, that doesn't work. again, I've been through this more than once, and I don't know why I haven't figured it out. But I think once that adds that here, yeah. Okay, and then here's how I can share that. I'm figuring it out. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing there so I can share the other thing I wanted to show you. I was just gonna get like really meta. All right, this will work. Okay, that is definitely gonna get really meta. But what I wanted to show you was this, so you could see what my other vision board looked like. I'm gonna have to go edit that out. All right, let me stop sharing because I can't share my files and stuff on here. And then let me go back to sharing my screen so we can go back to the video.
I wanted something that matched my home aesthetic, that matched my life aesthetic, and that I would actually feel inspired to pick up and look at as I go throughout the year. I also filled the pages with different Bible scriptures, quotes, and words that I want to lean on as I navigate the year. So I'm extra and I designed 4 different covers, but the content inside of each of them is the same. Let me show you how I did it. So as a brand strategist, I am really, really passionate about intention. Everything we do should involve intention. Those classic vision boards are almost random, something fun to do with your girls, but they're not really as intentional that I think is required when building your brand and creating.
Now, I definitely agree with this in that everything you do should be pretty intentional, not just with this obviously concept of building your brand, but with just your life and goals. I definitely try to be intentional, and I am not being very intentional by saying that my mantra for 2024 is quit effing around, and I am not being intentional about that. So I think it's a good way to think about
your content strategy. So because it's called a vision board, we're going to make vision an acronym, and you're going to use these different letters to design your brand board for 2024. Vision. VISION. The V stands for voice/visual.
All right, that's cool. I like that. But I know for me this year, I really need to focus on action. The vision is there. It's the action that I need to follow up with.
The I stands for influence. The F.
But my vision would still be like vision and visuals, I guess, because I do want to think about what my visuals look like professionally, online, etc., what I'm trying to create for myself. So, okay, yes, that stands.
F is for systems/strategy.
Amen.
The I is for intention/impact.
Okay.
The O is for originality. And the N is for no need to niche. Capiche? Now, I wouldn't be myself if I didn't give you a little strategy along the way. So I'm going to break.
Well, actually, I do very much get that part because I am not intending to niche right now. That's why I'm doing this content just as is. Fortunately, there is a movement of people that acknowledge that you're just a niche. I'm just trying to connect with other people like myself who love to think about growth mindset and negotiation strategies to manifest a life that they love. I haven't quite nailed down what that tagline is going to be, but I'm getting there.
Break down how each letter in the word vision is going to help you put together your brand and content strategy for 2024. So the V is for voice/visuals. So the first thing you want to do is decide how you are going to use your voice. Once you write that down, now I want you to talk about the tone and the style of your brand voice. Is it humorous? Is it intentional? Is it candid? How do you speak to your community?
Okay. Now, first things first, she actually put a template for this in the bottom of the video. So we're going to go look at the template. Okay. So I love this, that the template is really a lead generator. All right. Well, we're going to put our stuff in here and we're going to get the template. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing because I'm not going to show you my inbox. Oh, maybe I should keep sharing because then once I got that, it took me to Kayla's website and I like it. Hold on. Let me show you. Okay. Here's Kayla's website. Helping women entrepreneurs implement ideas that increase their income. Very clear. Offer. Okay. Love a good testimonial. All right. Actually, it's definitely free Facebook community. Okay. Thank you, Kayla. We're going to get started, though, on what you've offered so far. Now I'm going to go to my inbox and see if I have the template and if we can get started here. I'm glad I didn't do this as a live stream because I would have to fill this time right now, like with saying words. Okay, it's loading. Sorry. Okay, so let's show what we get. Here's my inbox. Oh, here we go. And this is the message that you receive. I do. Okay, so we're going to download it here. I'm going to go ahead and share this tab now instead. Okay. Now, I don't need the step-by-steps. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Oh, but I love the guide. Okay, that's cute. Okay, Kayla, I am very inspired right now. And I definitely think I'll be using this, but we'll come back to that later. Because for now, we want to find the Canva template. That's really why we're here. Or at least why I'm here. I wanted to find the Canva template and do the Canva template. Okay, and here we are. Okay, this is too cute. All right, let me focus. Focus, Alicia, focus. Let me use the template for design it and go into my Canva. Now, I love the way these are done. What happens if you go to print it? That's letterhead, but what if I want to print? I want to print it as something else. Let's see. Oh, okay. Got it. Interesting. All right. I do not understand this printing, but it's not for me to figure out. Now, let's try this with like a photo I might already have. Now, she's got that one in there. Okay, great. And let me just see if I have a photo of me. All right, not that one. No, I like this one, I think. This is a good one for travel. I'm here for it. I'm so here for it. Okay, let's edit the photo. I mean, here's the thing. That was a good photo, just the photo that I took of myself on vacaciones. But I'm not going to lie, I love some of these other ones, but it's the vivid for me. So difficult. Okay, I'm just trying to see which one looks the most magazine-ish. And it's the chroma. I really like that one. Yeah, I'm really liking the chroma. Okay, so that's that. But yeah, Vision doesn't feel right for this. This is my travel magazine. And my travel magazine, I want it to be called Wanderlust. Make this say travel. Okay, now the Wanderlust can't be that. And it's got to be lowercase. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that's not working. So that's not what we want. Can we get that as lowercase? Alright, let's try that one. I think I kind of like it. Let's just bring it down. Okay, now this has to come down a little bit too because it's like being blocked right there. And then these we're going to like move over to the edge here. And yeah, it's not a magazine without a barcode. Let's do it. Okay, now. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the 2024 issue. And I still want to keep engaging. Okay. I still want to keep engaging in solo travel, and I really want to do a lot of it. But I also have some other financial goals that I'm going to have to calm myself down this year. So we're just going to do some bougie on the budget. There we go. Bougie on the budget travel. Awesome. I don't know where to go from here with this because I'm so... I love this for me, and I want to make multiple magazines now. I'm excited. So I'm just going to stop, and maybe I'll come back with a part 2. Let me stop sharing here. I don't even know how long I've been doing this. How long have I been doing this? 22 minutes. Okay. I'm going to stop here. I'll come back with a part 2 and share my finished vision board. Well, Vision magazine. Thank you, Kayla. Sharing here. I don't even know how long I've been doing this. How long have I been doing this? 22 minutes. Okay. I'm going to stop here. I'll come back with a part 2 and share my finished vision board. Well, Vision magazine. Thank you, Kayla.
Later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.